Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of Sustainable Stace. It's an extraordinary episode because we're celebrating something. The first of many milestones with Sustainable Stace being hopeful, helpful, and healthy. We've hit 1,000 subscribers, on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and everyone says if you want to get more looks, more eyes, more subscribers on your channel, you need to collaborate with someone who's going to draw in a crowd. So I've brought a special guest today to collaborate with me and celebrate the 1,000 subscribers milestone.
I'm Stace. For me, healthy food and sustainability are totally connected. You can grow it yourself. Nature is generous.
Generally, special guests are supposed to be big names, but in this case, our special guest has no name. I want you to meet this little dude. He's brand new to our family, and he's our little celebrator.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, you're a little hungry guy.
Yeah, you're such a good celebrity guest. Thank you for coming. And we really don't know what his name is. So the first thing you could help me on today is help me name this little dude. Yeah. And the second thing you guys could help me do as we move towards 10,000 subscribers from our current milestone of 1,000 subscribers is in the comments box. Let me know what you'd like to have covered as topics that are hopeful, helpful, and healthy on the Sustainable Stace YouTube channel. Until next time, thanks a lot. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I just encourage you to go down there in your right corner of the screen, click on the subscribe button, and from now on, you'll be getting a regular feed into your inbox of items from Sustainable Stace that are hopeful, helpful, and healthy. Thanks for the milestone. Let's keep kicking it.